In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different color lights on face for thumbnail using ClipDrop. We'll use a simple browser-based tool to give your portrait that cinematic, colored light vibe that really makes thumbnails stand out. Start by heading to clipdrop.co in your browser. On the home page, open the Tools section, then choose the feature called Relight. This tool uses AI to simulate realistic studio lights on your photo, which is perfect when you don't have physical lights or time to set them up. Inside Relight, click Paste or Drop to bring in your image. Pick a clear headshot or upper body photo where the face is well lit and in focus. Neutral or uncluttered backgrounds work best because they help the software separate the subject from the surroundings. If you're prompted, choose Downscale and continue. For thumbnails, the downscaled size is usually more than enough and it processes faster, which keeps your workflow smooth. Once your image loads, you'll see the first virtual light ready to use. Select Light 1 and position it by dragging the on-screen handle. Pick a color and adjust the intensity so the effect enhances the face without blowing out highlights. A cool hue like teal or blue on one side adds depth, but keep it subtle enough that skin still looks natural. Next, select Light 2 and repeat the process. This is a great spot to introduce a contrasting color, such as a warm orange or pink from the opposite direction. Placing it at about a 45-degree angle can give that classic cinematic split lighting look. Keep an eye on the eyes and teeth. If they pick up too much color, slightly lower the intensity or nudge the light's position. If you want more dimension, click the plus button to add another light. This third light is perfect as a rim or backlight to separate the subject from the background. A softer magenta or cyan with lower intensity can add a subtle glow along the hair or jawline without overpowering the face. Now refine everything to your preference. Move lights around, fine-tune colors, and dial in intensity until the face looks dynamic but still natural. Zoom in to check edges and skin tones, and make sure the colors guide attention to the eyes. For thumbnails, bold but clean color contrast reads best at small sizes. When you're happy with the look, click Download to save your edited image. Give it a quick test at smaller sizes to confirm the face pops and the colors stay balanced. That's it, fast, polished, and eye-catching lighting with ClipDrop's Relight.